What is your name? My name is Alex. How old are you? I am 25 years old. Where are you from? I am from a city near the coast. What do you do? I work in marketing. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one younger brother. What does your mother do? She is a doctor. Do you live with your family? No, I live alone in an apartment. What time do you usually wake up? I wake up at 7:30 in the morning. What do you eat for breakfast? I usually have coffee and toast. How do you go to work? I drive my car. What is your favorite food? I love Italian food, especially pasta. What do you do in your free time? I like watching movies and playing tennis. Do you like traveling? Yes, I enjoy visiting new countries. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Inception. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play tennis every weekend. What kind of music do you listen to? I listen to rock and pop music. Do you use social media a lot? Yes, I use Instagram and Twitter. What are you doing this weekend? I am going to meet friends for dinner. Where do you want to be in 5 years? I want to have a better job and travel more. Why are you learning English? To get better job opportunities and meet new people.